Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're going to bring you a little tutorial for the Lowe's 3.5 foot lighted spider that they had. So they just went 50% off, and we got us one before they sold them out.
We got the Home Depot one, but then he decided he wants this one too.
So we actually was going to do this a couple of days ago before Halloween party, and I was in a rush, didn't have time. We pulled everything out, and we was like, "Damn it, the head didn't come with it." So after we got looking, we was about to take it back and return it. So they actually have you can see it's got the hinges on this side here, and you actually had to take a couple of screws out of it, and they've got parts on the inside of it. So I've never seen that before, but
so don't panic if you open yours, because we were like, oh my gosh, we didn't even get to set it up for the Halloween party, but it is what it is.
And realize too, if you don't put it back together that way, it ain't gonna all fit in the box. Because it barely fits in there with the head and stuff inside of this. So let's get it apart. We've already set everything out, and then we'll start the video and show you, and then let you see what it looks like when we're done. Let's get started. Okay, guys, so we got the screws out. There's actually 3. There's one at the front end, one in the middle, and there was one on this side right here. So once you get them out, all you do is flip it over, and voila. We got a present hiding in here for you. So, and then you can see this is where all the legs go, screws goes in them here. So, all right, let's start putting it together then. We'll have to turn around and put this back. All right, guys, so the first step says to start putting the legs together. So you have the little squeeze part, and when you look at it, it's got a rounded edge. So all you do is start it, push them in, and then snap it together. A and B go together, and then C and D. And your letters is inside the legs, and then on the side of this. And then C and D's. All right, guys, next step is putting the screws back into it. Your little Allen wrench was in your bag with the screws and the other stuff.
Yeah, you're going to put like several screws, 16, 11 of them.
Yeah, and I would advise you to get them all in here and get them started before you start tightening them up too. Because once you screw it down tight, if one's out of line, you won't be able to get the next one in. All right, so we got the 11 screws put in. We plugged in our plug, and now we're going to slide this together. And make sure you don't get the wire. You want to make sure it goes in down here at the bottom. You put a screw in here or anything?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Make sure the wiring feeds into the part. Next, insert a screw into the hole that meets in the middle of the parts.
Shine in there, I can't see
All right, connect the type 1 spider legs into the spider. Begin by locating the assembled type 1 spider legs. Type 1 is A and B.
All right, guys, so it says type 1. If you go back to the very beginning, though, it says type 1 is the A and B. So they go in the 2 middle ones on this side, 2 middle ones on this side. And then your C and D ones go in the front and the back.
They're type 2.
Or type 2, yeah.
So it looks like you have wires to connect on all of them.
All of them's got wires. You just push them through because all their legs light up. And then all you do is when you go to put it in, make sure you push your wires back through there, get it lined up, push it all the way in, drop you a screw in there, and then you'll have to kind of make sure that it goes down in the hole, and then just kind of be real easy and get it straight so you don't cross thread it in there, and then just screw it in. All right, guys, so we got the type 1 in the 4 middle legs. Now we're doing the type 2 in the other front, the 2 front and 2 back legs. The main thing is too is making sure that you're getting this wire pushed back through there and it not hanging so it'll go all the way in it. And then you can see the hose in here. Like some of them line up perfect. Some of them you might have to wiggle back and forth to get the hole lined up with the hole that's in here. And then be real careful about making sure you get the screw straight up and down before you start, because you don't want to cross thread it. All right, guys, so we got all 4 of the type 2s in now, so we're ready to put the plug-in in. And I will say this, that some of these you had to really watch and make sure that that wire is the screw-in part is going beside that pipe down inside of it, because if it don't, it makes it hard to get this pushed up into the into that hole. And now we put this plug-in on. And just make sure you line a little notch up with the notch in here. And then screw it together. We'll flip it over and plug it in. But so just so you can see these, they do have, you could either screw them to a wall if you wanted to, or you can put the stakes that come with it. And there looks like there's
4.
Yeah, 4 of them.
So, well, there's only 4.
Oh yeah, there's only 4. The middle 2 don't have it.
Yeah, it's the 2
so it's
front
just the 4 outside
and
legs.
the 2 back.
So let's flip this over and let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, so we got her plugged in, and now we're ready for showtime. Well, maybe. Yeah, look at that.
I really like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I mean, I like the Home Depot one, but just as an extra, like, I really like this.
Yeah. 50% off. That wasn't bad. And overall, I would say it's, what about a 8 out of 10. Now, the only thing that was hard about the assembling was putting all the screws into it, which the Home Depot one was kind of like that too. But I really do like the way the legs and stuff light up.
Mm-hmm. I do like that.
Now, this one doesn't hiss. The one from Home Depot did. It was kind of animated whenever you walk by it, and it had a sensor. But yeah, I wouldn't mind having a couple of these.
We're going to the Renaissance Fair this weekend, so we might
we might slide and see if there's any more anywhere.
Maybe get them for 75% off.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe 31st they will go on, but I think they're all gone. All right, guys, we appreciate you watching the video to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you great contents. If you have any comments, put them in below, and we will get back with you as soon as we can. And we really do appreciate y'all watching the videos and watching to the end, because it really does help our channel out. Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Happy Halloween.